Well, friends, this is our last video for 2018 concerning the Shop With Me's for Christmas. I will show you guys next week on Tuesday the things that I have purchased, which is going to be so fun. And we're also going to start on our DIYs. So let's get started in today's video. Okay, friends, so let's start at the Dollar Tree. Of course, I have gotten so many things from the Dollar Tree that we're going to be using for our DIY projects. I'm going to have a question down below that's going to be very important to each one of you because it is something I really need to know before I start doing certain DIYs. Now I know that everything looks a little bit plain, so that's the whole reason for my question that's going to be down below. So a lot of stuff going to look a little plain and some going to look a little routine of your average things that you may see in the Dollar Tree. That's why it's very important that you answer that question. All right, everyone, so please make sure that your notification button is on because what I'm going to be doing each time we're getting ready to post a video, I am going to let you guys know the items that we're going to need before we do our DIY. So while we was having my sister's birthday party in this location, everyone, they had so many beautiful items, and it's more like a travel through restaurant. It was so gorgeous, and look at this. These things are so beautiful, so I had to capture these things while I was there. So if you remember in the last Shop With Me, this is the same store that a lot of you love their ornaments. When I was in this store, so many projects was coming to my mind, not duping any projects. It's just so many projects was coming to my mind that we can do collectively as a community. And so that's why I want to do this video and the last one with you guys because I have so many ideas already written out for the end of this year. I think this is so beautiful if you go on with the more traditional side. So gorgeous, and it still makes that beautiful statement. Now, I hope you guys with these Shop With Me's we've been doing that it has been helpful to you all, you know, with any creativity that you would love to do for this Christmas holiday season. All right, everyone, so that wraps it up for our last Shop With Me for 2018. So remember to turn on your bell ringer, make sure all of your notifications is on, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember, our next video will be Tuesday of next week, and I will be posting up the items that we're going to need. All right, everyone, you have a beautiful and blessed day, and I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. Blessings.